Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be doing on a Burlington try on for you guys. Y'all know, I love TJ Maxx, I love Ross, I love Burlington, I love Kohl's, I love Forever 21, I love H&M. Like, I gotta stay with places with the deals, okay? So I'm gonna bring to y'all some deals from Burlington. Y'all gonna love it, okay? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the first piece that I got from Burlington. Y'all, it's giving nurse. Y'all, this is just, it's too big for me. I don't know what's going on. It looked cute. I felt like I was connected with it. But right now that I got it on, it's giving church. Like, bruh, it's swallowing me. I don't even know what to do. You know that it's giving church because the hoops is all the way down to where my butt starts. And the pockets is all the way down here too. Like, it was cute. Just, you know what? It's a cute standing up in a closet type thing. But it ain't cute. It's giving very much Molly the maid. Okay guys, when I seen this, I immediately thought of ScoobyDoo. Like, it was really giving me like the whole gang, like the whole crew. Like, I just felt like I fit in like perfect. I just need some cute orange glasses and I'm there. I already know my role, everything, y'all. This is giving. And I'll put on me some white high boots. You cannot tell me I won't fit in, y'all. This is so cute. I love this. It's so fun. Light knit. It's not heavy at all. Like I said, you could dress this up or down. This is size small and it was $10.99 from Burlington. Now, like I said, this is a very cute little outfit. I'll wear these with some black mules. I'll wear these with some white boots if I could find some. But I really like this. I just couldn't pass this up. It was just something that I don't have in my closet and it just looked so fun. So yeah. So y'all, this is giving very much can't move, can't do nothing. I will definitely be back to go get a medium. I got this in a size small and it was $7.99. They had this in different colors, red, black, I think white, and then this color. So I thought that I could fit a small, but baby, it's giving tiny, too tiny. But I do love the way that this looks with the brown because I do have some brown shoes that I will wear with this. And I'll probably pair it with one of these bags. You know, just like a little, just casual look. But I do like the way that it looks together. But baby, I cannot fit this. It's giving very much, if you've seen White Chicks and she was, whoop, this is what this is giving, okay? And sis cannot, no. So yeah, I'm gonna go back and get a size medium. And I will be wearing this like it is. This is one of those shirts also I got from Burlington, and it's one of the ones that's sewn inside out. So this is how this shirt came, and it was like $8.99, I believe. If I can't find anything in my size, then I'll probably pair it with the pants that I purchased before from H&M, and I think it'll make a perfect little outfit. So okay guys, so I purchased this in a size small and this was $15.99. Y'all already know this is giving very much Clueless vibes. This is giving very much Mean Girls, very much Legally Blonde. I love this type of look. If I could wear this type of style every day, I would, okay? With a pair of boots and a cute clutch, baby. This outfit, it just speaks for itself. Okay guys. I purchased these pants from Burlington and this is in a size 0 and they were $12.99. Baby, the pants is cute from the front. These are also high-rise jeans. So I don't think I could wear high-rise jeans because my butt is looking so smushed in the back and this is just not for me. I don't want to show y'all because I don't want y'all to laugh at me, but it is just not for me. But from the front, it's so cute. And this shirt I got from Ross and it was $12.99 also. But I just thought this was going to be so cute with some cute little tennis shoes. I got some pineapple shoes in my room. And I just thought this was going to be such a cute little look. It's giving very much surfer, beach girl type vibes. But no ma'am. Nope. I don't know what they was thinking in 1850, but this ain't it. I need my booty to be loved. And it's giving very much pink. It's just somebody slapped me with a pen. Like, that's what it's giving. And I'm not feeling it. But it's cute from the front. Like, this is a cute little pair up. Like, I'm really feeling this. Even with the little straw shoes, this will be cute. Like, this is such a cute little mug, but it's just not, it's not giving, y'all. I'm sorry. It's a no, he's going back. Okay, y'all, so this is a shirt that I found at Burlington and it was $3.49. I don't feel like I'm putting it on the right way. I don't know if my head is supposed to go through these two things, but my head just can't fit there. So I'm assuming that it goes like this because the two seams right here, but I'm a little confused. So I might take this one back. That's probably why it was $3.49. But it does look really cute with these denim jeans or these denim shorts that I paired it with, and like some cute little tennis shoes. Y'all, I don't know. I think I'm gonna take this back because it's getting very uncomfortable right here. But I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not. But it is a cute little shirt. Like, I love the little color scheme of it, but I don't think it's gonna work for me. But it was on sale, so I don't know if I can return it or not, but I just don't think I know what's going on with this shirt. So maybe I might just cut the strap off and make it like a tie around the neck. But I'm not sure, y'all. But it's a cute little top, like I said, with some tennis shoes or some sandals and just some cute little shorts. Okay, guys, that wraps up this quick Burlington try on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.